Alright, so let's get right into it. You already know I'm going to wash my chicken breasts. These are 2 big old chicken breasts. I'm going to wash it up with vinegar and salt. You want to rub the salt and vinegar all over the chicken breast. Get off any little, those little specks and stuff. Just to get any germs off the chicken. And then you want to rinse it up until the water runs clear, just like this. And now we're going to move on. This is a seasoning mix I'm going to use that's going to, the whole blackening of the chicken. So you want to put some pepper, smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, and salt. Mix that up. And also added a tiny teaspoon of brown sugar just to balance it out. Just like this. It smells so good, y'all. And now we're just going to season up the chicken breast. This is so easy and simple. Anybody can do it. You can mix up whatever spices you do have in your cabinet. You don't have to use this one. If you already have a prepared blackening seasoning, then go ahead and use that. But I didn't, so mix it up, allow it to marinate while we work on the rest of the dish. So, of course, this is a survival meal, so I'm using the jarred Alfredo, butter, some hot habanero cheese, and my penne pasta. You want to add some oil and butter. Y'all, this right here almost burnt the hell out of my butter, so I had to pick up my skillet, add my chicken breast, and put it back down because I didn't want the butter to burn. So, add your chicken breast to the skillet. Just like this. I cooked mine for about 8 or 10 minutes. About 10 minutes, 8 minutes on each side because they were pretty big. They were big breasts. And then now you move on to doing your pasta. Now I'm going to flip my chicken over just like this. Just like such. And let it continue cooking. And yeah. It smells so good, you guys. Like, really. I found a jalapeno, y'all. So I'm about to saute that, too, and top my chicken with it. But it's optional. But I found it in my fridge. So, hey. Drain the pasta, and then we're going to move on. After I added the pasta sauce to the pan, I also added a half a cup of water to the pasta jar, shook it up, and added it. I also made some more of that spice mix, except I did not add any more sugar. But remember, every single thing will be in my description box, so don't you worry. So this is what the chicken breasts look like. I'm going to allow them to rest. They need to rest at least 5 minutes or so, 5 to 10 minutes. And then I'm going to chop them up. So I added the jalapenos to the same pot that the chicken breast cooked in just for like 2 minutes, just to get the edge off. Add your pasta to your pasta sways. Mix it up. We're going to add the cheese. I'm going to plate it up. And I'll get right back. I just want to say, look at all this chicken breast. More than 4 people could probably eat that chicken breast. But this is what it looks like, you guys. I topped it with those jalapenos for extra flavor. Again, we did use that jar Alfredo. So you want to just add flavor, more flavor where you can. So this is my little plate. You guys know my plate is always smaller. And first of all, the pasta was really good because of the hot habanero cheese. I really love that cheese, as well as the spice mix. And the chicken was nice and flavorful. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll catch you on my next video.